Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring two brand new stamp sets from the January to April 2025 catalog. One is called Birthday Celebration and one is called the Tiled Techniques. Of course, the stylish shape dies are going to make an appearance. They are my favorite shape dies for sure. And then I'm going to do a little test between the pigment white ink and Versamark ink. Hope you stay tuned and give your opinion. So we have a card base that is pretty peacock. I have a piece of basic white card here, and I am going to cut the Country Lace Designer Series paper or pattern paper with the largest stitched circle, and then I put it off to the side. I'm inking up that Tiled Techniques photopolymer stamp, and well, there's one of the stamps. Honestly, this stamp set, there's a lot of fun triangles that you can make into circles, and this could make a beautiful square. Like I'm telling you, there's a lot of techniques to go on with this particular stamp set. So if you love stamping, this stamp set's for you. I'll be featuring it in a few other cards. Hopefully, cross my fingers, I have ideas. That's the thing. I have too many ideas and not enough time in the day, or honestly, like, it just, they don't get done. They're just like little ideas in my head. Anyway, okay, so we are working as an effective team, me and Seal Plus here. Sometimes we don't work as an effective team. There was the last video where we had a complete disagreement, but today we're working as an effective team. So blessings to my Stampin' Seal. Okay, so I'm going to take my pattern paper here out of the die, and that's going to go directly in the center. Okay, here's the test. So this is the word birthday from the Birthday Celebrations photopolymer stamp set. I have already brushed this with my embossing buddy, or the like the little packet of powder or whatever to remove the static electricity. And also any fingerprints and whatnot. And then I'm using the new, let's see, what is this called? It is the Basics Wow embossing powder. So Stampin' Up has now enlisted Wow as their embossing powder, and it's far superior in my opinion, because it is bright white and it is not kind of cream or vanilla. Anyway, what I was finding with this, and I did do sort of 3 coatings, if I flicked too hard, the powder was kind of coming off. So I was extremely gentle. Someone in the comments had reminded me that I could use the white pigment ink as a embossing medium. And I tried it, and I'll be honest, I'm going to give both the embossing methods, mediums, a chance, but it's and I don't care about the loose powder on this, because, or the little specks there, I'm fussy cutting it out, so it didn't really bother me. But I found like I didn't get the crispest of impressions with that stamp, or with that ink. And here I'm going in now. I've cleaned my stamp really well. I put my embossing powder on, embossing powder on my little paper. And now I'm going to ink up with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink, and it is made for embossing. And like right away, I could tell the difference. I got a super crisp impression. But I'm going to give this a fair chance here. So I gave 2 actually sprinkles, and then I even went in and scooped some where I wouldn't dare scoop with the white pigment ink. I don't know. I just re-inked my pad. So there was no stray powder, and that's fine. Like I said, I didn't really care about that, but regardless, it didn't give me any powder, stray bits, sorry. And it embossed really well. And I think I got a clearer, crisper impression with the Versamark. So I'm going to hold these two up for you to see. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing when I'm sharing with you guys. So you're just going to have to pause the video and when it comes really, like, there's a difference, I feel. I liked the Versamark better, to be honest. So both of them gave raised impressions. I just think that I got a superior, like, cleaner, crisper, image. Okay, so I'm going to spare you all of the fussy cutting because I know that a lot of people don't like seeing it. So here we go. Power of video editing. We are going to finish with that fussy cutting straight away. And now you're going to see that I am actually going to put this on my card. And what else? I also used Pretty Peacock ink for the word happy. So this is a sentiment from the brand new birthday celebrations photopolymer kit photopolymer stamp set. And the word happy is kind of crooked. Like, it's made to be crooked. And it kind of drove me a little nuts. You'll see me doing a little bit of like obsessive compulsive cutting down of that word. So dimensional adhesive behind the fussy cut birthday. Think it looks great. Now here I just wanted to put my happy on, but I didn't like the way I had it. Like, I don't know what was going on. It really bugged me. So these are new Sunny Day iridescent dots, and I used the blue ones, but I had to take off the happy. And then I thought, okay, well, maybe it's just because it's crooked. Nope, that's not it. So I thought, okay, well, maybe what I'll do is I'll take the word, like I'll cut the sentiment down just a titch, and maybe that'll happen. Or that'll make it work. And it didn't. And so then I thought to myself, okay, well, I'll just kind of fussy cut on the Y and the H, and maybe that'll help. Well, it was better. I don't know what's going to help it. But it bugged me. You know, there's one little element sometimes, and everybody else will say probably, oh, it's fine. You did was like great. But, you know, sometimes there's one little thing. I don't know. Something was not in. So anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the videos see more section or in the supply section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. I do appreciate you if you can't shop with me to either comment below, to like, subscribe. It really does help if you subscribe to my channel and, you know, do all the YouTube-y things, guys. I appreciate you so much. And as always, bye for now.